Where all can we see the content? Where all can be used? It can be used everywhere, it is seen everywhere. Now, these are the top types of content that we see on internet. Articles, audio, blog posts, case study, e-books, e-courses, email marketing, infographics, letters, photos, podcasts, and you can see the other types of contents towards the right. Now, as I said before, content is the king in digital marketing. It could be of any form. It could be of a video, it could be of a text, it could be of an image, it could be of any mobile application, or it could be of any kind of countdown, meets up, or the workshop. Now we have to understand what kind of content to promote on internet to get more number of audience. Let us look at an example. Now, we can see the content types on Facebook. Now we all can see this advertisement where you can see the content in the form of text. Don't wait for the right time, do the right thing, and you can see the image. Like this, you can see the content on all the other social media platform also. Now we have to decide on what platform that we are publishing our content. Because as I told before, content is the only king in digital marketing. Now let's understand LinkedIn. Now you can see this is the professional site where you can see the professional content that will be happening, that will get populated here. Now there are a lot of people who promote their content majorly focusing on professionals. Now whatever the previous behavior that I've searched, that I've done on browser, based on that I'll be getting the results here. Now let's look at the Quora. So what is Quora? Quora is majorly for Q&A. Now we might have got a lot of results like this, okay, based on the thing what we have searched. So based on my previous interest that I have shown on Quora, based on the interest that I have picked, based on the spaces that I have selected, everything related to the whatever that I have picked, I'll be getting the results here. Now again, these things are content. You can see the Quora is also organizing the campaigns. So to write this particular content here, you need content writing, and this is a part of content marketing. Same way it goes for Pinterest also. So most of the Pinterest will have a purpose. So who is promoting this? Amazon.com. Men fashion tips. So they are given some beautiful content in the text format, and you can see towards your left an image. And let's check YouTube. So these are the content. My keyword here is education. Now again, there are content writer, content publisher, content marketer who write a specific content for this thing, that is YouTube. So to talk on YouTube also, you need content writer. Because we cannot, without rehearsal, we just cannot promote our content. Then let's look at another example. Bing. Bing is considered as one of the competitor of Google. So you can see the images here. So these are the images which is also considered as content. So in simple terms, you can find content every place on internet. So this is a newspaper advertisement, newspaper website, where you can see the different kind of content here. Now, the content that you see on Facebook is different. The content you see on LinkedIn will be different. The content you see on Quora, Pinterest, YouTube, Bing, and this particular newspaper website and other websites, other social media platforms will serve the different purpose. We have to understand on what medium that we are promoting our content.